What's going on, YouTube? We got a first for the channel. I ain't even gonna zoom in on this box. You already know by the coloration, especially that itty bitty golden spider right there, what we're gonna be taking a look at today. So stay tuned. Right after we roll that intro, we're gonna get into this guy. Alright guys, thank you so much for staying past that little intro. That's right, today we're going to take a look at the Spyderco Tenacious. I know it's been out for a while, but this is the very first Spyderco we've ever brought to the channel. So why not have a little bit of fun with it, right? Now, for you incredibly cool kids who've been watching for a little while and have yet to subscribe to my channel, somewhere right around down here, there's going to be our little channel watermark. Just hover over that thing. It should take you right to subscribe. I'd be right appreciative of your subscription, especially if you like the insanity on my channel. Alright, now before we get too much more into the blade, it came with its usual propaganda. But what I liked is it tells you about its construction and everything else. I thought that was cool. Alright, now I know, you guys are like, shut up fat boy, blade time. There she is. Didn't come with the lanyard. I put it on there because I've been carrying this one for a while. I mean, since I got it, I've been carrying it. I kind of like it. I like how it feels in my hands. Sorry about that bump there. I love the freaking G10 scales and how they feel. And even that little, I should say Spyderco signature thumb bump right there with the jimping. And I got to tell you, I had a Spyderco back in the early 90s when I was in the U.S. Army. The only big difference was it was serrated blades all throughout the blade face. It was great till it got dull, and I'll be honest, back then I was stupid and didn't even care. I just kind of tossed it and went and got a new knife. The thumb hole just feels sweet again to play with. The black and silver look is classic and timeless. Not to mention it comes pretty freaking centered. So, there's about me drooling over the fit and finish and all the other good crap. So, let's get into this guy. It's got an overall length of 7.76 inches. Closed, it's 4.45, and the blade is 3.39. Now, I love the fact it's got a flat grind. Alright? It's got plain edge, and that satiny finish, which seriously, I'm neck and neck with a stonewash finish and a satin finish on a blade. I honestly can't tell you which one is my favorite. They are like that neck and neck with me. Now the blade, they say it's drop point style, but it seems almost clip point aggressive to me. Now the blade steel, as you can probably see right there, is 8CR13 MOV. And yeah, before we even get into that, oops, sorry, there we go. It is made in China. Don't care. I get the cost cutting. I'm okay with it. Now, it does have a stainless steel skeletonized frame in there to help reduce on weight. So I thought that was kind of neat. Like I made mention, black G10 scales. And it has a 4-position pocket clip. So, left hand, right hand carry, tip up, tip down. Man, the possibilities are endless. And it's all up to your choice. It does have the Spyderco patented thumb hole. As you see, there's a little lanyard hole. And it has a liner lock. So, there's all the fun for the stats. And I think I'm going to do it this way today. So, I got it at my local Walmart for $39.96. And there's the sticker, position number 2. So, I'm okay with that. I found it on Amazon for $45.47. Over on Spyderco, this exact one, for some reason, is $69.95. And on Blade HQ, it's $45.47. Now, the ratings, couldn't find any on Spyderco. Couldn't find any on Walmart. Blade HQ is 4.5 out of 5. And I'll be honest, I didn't even think to sit there and count them all up because they didn't have the number. And I really wasn't in the mood to scroll through a couple pages just to get a with 1,493 ratings. I don't know what happened. My camera just glitched on me. So, let's go through some cutting. Nice. No problem there. Paracord. Pull test. Ooh. Now a slice test. No problem. And the wonderful ratchet strap. Right through that guy. Alright guys. Cuts beautifully. Seriously. Oh man. But there we are, my very quick look at a Spyderco Tenacious. Now, I want to know what you guys think, and yeah, I'm going to move this one along because I have no idea what's up with my camera. Leave your questions, comments, hatred, love, whatever you want to down below. I especially want to know, do you think it's nice? Or an F-bomb? F-bomb? Or nice? If you guys are a first-time viewer of my channel today, I want to thank you so much for tuning in. Now, like I said, if you're a first-time viewer, thank you so much. Another glitch just happened. Man, this is going to be fun editing this guy. Now, for you really cool guys who haven't done it in the very beginning of the video, here's your second chance. Right down there in that corner, there's going to be a channel logo. Go ahead and destroy that thing, man. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've beat up that subscribe button, go ahead and destroy that bell icon that is right next to it. That's going to notify you every single time we upload a brand new video. Speaking of videos, 2 are going to pop up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to pick from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we are, guys. My tabletop look at the Spyderco Tenacious. Glitches and all in this video, I guess. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you have a great one today.